smell. This is total material. Will be here. Okay? But something will go away. Then it cannot be moved. What is that? You use your intellect, your mind, and you will say, my soul will go away, then I have nothing. Okay. So, in this meaning, you can be understand, soul is your creation. Yes or not? Material is there. All full element, 5 element, everything will be here. Something will go from here. That is creation. It's clear? So this creation we looks, this is all, creation is Prakriti. Material. Clear? How this is vibrant? I don't know. This is vibrant. That vibration enter there, that is Purusha. Then creation comes in the form. You understand this or not? How you are doing this? Okay. Okay. You are doing this. I am asking, you are doing this. Something is inside you. Those will go away from you, then you can do this. No? Yes or no? We feel something. I want to separate that Purusha and Prakriti from your body. First. Prakriti is material, dead body. Anything is, what is missing in dead body? That is Purusha. Material is there or not? Nose is there, hairs is there, eyes is there, nothing missing. But something missing. Those we only can feel. Yes or not? After that cannot talk, cannot move, cannot walk, cannot be do anything. That is Purusha. It's clear? So you understand what is Purusha? A flower without smell. Only material. Purusha is not there. When Purusha will come, then everyone will love to that flower. Paper flower, always you keep away. If I give you paper flower and natural flower, then which you will accept? You will accept the natural flower, huh? Why? Because there is Purusha. Oh, yes. And paper flower, there is no Purusha. All natural fragrance is there. You will throw. That is material, that is paper. So, Purusha and Prakriti, when they unite, then vibration starts. Life starts. Clear or not? When you will say yes, I clearly understand Purusha and Prakriti. What happened when dead body? Body is there. It's dead. All Purusha gone from there. Intellect gone. Mind gone. Soul gone. Cannot be touched anything. I can touch only the body, material. Prakriti. Clear? Now you understand Prakriti and Purusha or not? Prakriti and Purusha. Prakriti is material. Purusha, vibration, prana, energy, life. How many names you give? You give. That is all Purusha. Purusha enters in your body, body active. Purusha goes out from the body, dead. Clear? Now the question comes, this Purusha is coming from where? Clear? That is mentioned in these elements. 4 elements only have Purusha and Prakriti have 20 elements. Clear? Prakriti have 20 elements, Purusha have 4 elements, and the combination of 24 elements is the all the history and story of working of this. This is the Sankhya Yoga. Kapil Muni explained this. So we will be understand that what is Purusha and what is Prakriti. Then you can be easily understand Yud Samadha. Is clear? How I can be connect myself. Myself. So yourself. Just clear? How you connect yourself. So body, we have in this body imagination, mind and soul. Imagine it. If you say your mind is here, I will say my mind is here. How you can be explain this? You say no, this is me. I say this is brain. 2 parts, right hemisphere, left hemisphere, and I will explain everything about it, and you will explain it about it. But I have never explained about mind, and you can do not. So that is imagination. By the practice of this physical body, we reach to that imagination, body and mind. Then after we feel that. Then after we unite, then we understand. It comes in my practice, it comes in my experience. Then I understand, oh, I will go. Clear? Until the only posture making cannot be understood.